How to delete your fastest Snapchat spam messages. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now go to the chat section. Now open up any chat. Now type any message. Now copy the text. Now paste the text. Now tap on the square box. Go to clipboard. Now paste the text again and again. Now go back and tap on send. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.